get this gele done, we have to make sure we have our bucket, our thread and needle, then our scissors. This is exactly what we are going to use to tie this gele. So get your gele, fold it 2 inches in. Fold it 2 inches in. Make sure it's quite arranged. This time around is going to be 60 by 50. So it's not going to be 60-60. So fold the gele around the bucket. We are going to use this point as our measurement for the half of the fan. So you fold your gele at this point. Use your thread and needle to stitch it tight at this point. Make sure it's stitched tight at this point. You can see the measurement that is 60 by 50 is not 60-60 because the fan is going to be half and the auto is going to be more than the fan. So this point we stitch. At this point we start to stitch. So we stitch it at this point. Make sure that we stitch it properly, well and tight, that it will not get loose from the bucket. So after stitching, we turn it up in order to form our pleats. So we have to form this pleat. Make sure we pleat it up to 3 times, first and second to the third line. That is making it 3 pleats. As you pleat, you make sure you arrange the gele properly, that the pleat will be able to show well and will not be shifted. So you make sure you properly arrange it. So I'm making the last pleat, which is the third one, where it will look more beautiful and good. So you can see that I have pleated it 3. I have gotten 1, 2 to 3 pleats. So at this point now, we have to join them, bring them all together, the whole pleat we made, and stitch it at the same point where we started from. So we'll stitch from this point. Now what we are going to do here is to silent this right side in, the one we are going to use to form our fan inside, and carry up the one. Here what we are going to do now is to make sure that they will pleat it. We are going to use this hand to form a pleat, a proper pleat that will be an auto, half auto. So what we are doing here is to make sure we pleat. We have to pleat until we get to the final stage of it where the pleat stops.